how to add or remove the people panel to the edge panels on the Samsung Galaxy S25 series. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Now from the home screen, we swipe down at the top to open up quick settings. In here, tap on the settings icon. Next, we scroll down and then tap on display. From here, go down and tap on edge panels. Then tap on panels. Now swipe across until you can find where it says people, and then tap on the people toggle button to add or remove the people panel to the edge panels. And that's it. Once you have added, if you swipe across to open up the edge panel, you can switch between the different panels by swiping across like that. So this is the context panel or the people panel. And that's it. After that, you can tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.